Hey there, folks. Are you in need of a dumpster rental in Los Alamos, California? Well, look no further. At Binz 2U, we make dumpster rental easy peasy lemon squeezy. We've got you covered for all your waste disposal needs. Whether cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or just doing some good old-fashioned decluttering, our dumpsters come in various sizes to fit your needs. And the best part? We offer flexible rental options and speedy delivery, so you can get your dumpster when and where you need it. Plus, with our competitive pricing and top-notch customer service, you'll be smiling from ear to ear. We make dumpster rental a breeze. With Binz 2U, getting rid of your junk has never been easier. So go ahead, declutter your life, and let us handle the dirty work for you. To book your dumpster rental, call 805-937-0123 or visit our website at www.binz2u.com. Dumpster Rental Los Alamos, CA. You can have a dumpster delivered right to your doorstep in no time. It's as simple as that. So why stress over junk when you can bin it with Binz 2U? Let's get rid of that clutter and make room for more fun stuff.